Okay, that's great. So keep these things in mind. Otherwise, you are doing fabulously. I This is one of the best sessions that I have had throughout my tenure in
Yeah.
Clapingo. I don't see any body language there,
Oh, yeah.
which is very important. Okay,
Hmm. Yeah.
so let's do one thing. Let's play one game. Okay, we will say one sentence, we will speak one sentence, and we will try to express ourselves through our body language. Okay, you will be a wonderful public speaker because I love the way you are using your tone also, the tone of voice and the intonation that is there, the stress that you're putting in into every syllable, into every word, and that's fabulous. That's the way we are supposed to speak the language. Oh, and I somehow don't feel like believing you. Yeah, I somehow cannot believe you. I cannot get myself to believe you.
Oh,
Yeah, because
why?
you're so open, you're so free, you're so confident, and your language is fabulous. And don't mind my asking, how old are you?
I'm 13 actually.
Oh, wow. And where are you from, Arundhati?
I'm from the state of Chhattisgarh. I live in the town of Bhilai.
Oh, wow. And I love your confidence. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah. You know what? There's so many people who are older than you and they don't have that much confidence. Seriously. Oh, excellent. So you did not go to school today?
Actually, we have our winter vacations going on. They started from 24th of
Okay.
December and they'll go up to 1st January. So we have a winter vacation. So I'm at home.
Okay, excellent. And where is your school? Is it in Chhattisgarh or is it located somewhere else?
No, it is in Chhattisgarh only.
And what's the name of your school?
Delhi Public School.
GPS.
Yeah.
Wow, excellent. And you're 13, right? So you might probably you're in class 7, 7 or 8.
No, eight. Eight.
Yeah. See, I was pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've become old now, so I'm a bit fuzzy about classes. I think I was in class 7 or 8 when I was 13.
Oh.
So, Arundhati, what do you like doing? You seem to be a very creative person.
Oh, you
Yeah.
guessed it right. I love to paint and I love to read books and also
Okay.
sing.
Sing also. So, which song do you like singing? Do you like singing, uh, let's say, the local folklore, or do you like singing Hollywood songs or Bollywood songs?
Okay, so I love to listen to Hollywood song, but while singing, I'm learning to sing classical music. So it's mainly the Bollywood songs that I'm learning.
So you're learning all that sare gama and all those things, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
wow, that's so wonderful. And do you paint also? Do you draw?
yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. Do you like? I believe you like sketching.
No, not sketching. I love to paint with watercolor and poster color and like that.
Okay, and you also love animals.
Maybe you can say kind of.
Okay. So, which is your favorite animal?
It actually fluctuates a lot. Like last month, it was what was it? I think it was a rabbit, but now it has changed to a capybara.
Capybaras are really cute.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. But it's surprising. Both the animals that you chose, both of them are burrowing animals.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you are not very fond of animals, right?
Not really.
So what are you fond of?
Um, I don't know. Maybe books. I love to read books.
Which kind of books do you like reading?
Okay, so lately I have been reading some Ruskin Bond books, and I also love to read fictional books.
Fictional. Ruskin Bond is a fabulous writer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So which book of his have you read?
So it was the night train to what was the name of the place? I keep forgetting, but it was something with a D. I forgot the name of the place. It was
Night
something
Train
like
to-
the night train to a place.
Ah, beat me. I thought you would remember. But he's a wonderful writer.
Yeah,
Okay. And besides that, you said you love reading which kind of books?
fictional books.
Fictional books. So, which is your favorite fictional book?
I have read Harry Potter and some other fictional books.
Some other fiction. Why do most people love Harry Potter?
I don't know. I think it is. It's very popular, so people want to give it a first try, and when they read the first book, they just get addicted to it.
So, was that the case with you as well?
Not really. Actually, my father wanted to read the first book, and he bought it for himself. But he's not really a voracious reader, so he can't read really thick and long books. So he
Uh,
just read the first few pages and he just left it. He got demotivated and stopped reading. So then I picked up the book and I started reading it.
okay. And then you continued with the series, right? Okay, great. And do you watch the movie? Have you watched the movies also?
Yeah, the movies also.
All parts.
Yeah,
The Sleepy Hollow. That's one part, right? The
the
Sleepy Hollow.
Deathly Hollows.
The Deathly Hollows. See, oh my God. I haven't seen, heard it from my daughter. She
Oh,
loves watching all these things. I have a 7-year-old daughter and she loves watching all these things. So it's really difficult for me to recall all these things and remember all these things.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Which other movies do you like? Do you like Avengers?
What? Could you repeat that?
Avengers.
Oh, yeah, I watched a few movies, but I'm not that fond of it.
I'm a big fan.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. I'm so disappointed. Have you seen it? Have you seen any? Have you watched Iron Man?
I have seen him in other movies, but I've not watched his actual movie.
Yeah. Robert Downey Jr., he is really good in Sherlock Holmes.
Yeah.
The Game of Shadows. Have you seen that?
I have watched Sherlock Holmes, but not the other one.
Okay. With the other person, that Cumberbatch guy,
Yeah, the Doctor Strange, you mean?
Doctor Strange, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Both of them are fabulous actors, right?
Yeah.
Wow. It's so nice talking to you. I feel I have become a child again. Yes, Back to the Future.
Yeah.
That was a movie. Have you
What?
seen the movie? Back to the Future.
No, I've never heard of it.
It's a very old movie. So,
Oh.
yes, it's okay if you haven't heard of it. Yeah. Okay. That was a fabulous movie. It's a trilogy, and it's all about this young boy. He goes into the past. And when he goes into the past, he inevitably changes the future.
Oh.
Why they say back to the future.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So how long have you been with Clapingo?
It has been a very long while. I started it in August or October of 2021.
My God. Okay. So how has your experience been so far?
I think it has been a really nice experience. When I watch my old Clapingo recordings, I find a lot of changes. So it has definitely helped me.
So what are the changes that you see in yourself?
I was not that confident at the
Mhm.
beginning, and I was not really open. I did not really talk much. I just answered what the tutor asked me, and I did not really say anything extra. Or I was not really open back then, but now I think I've changed a lot.
Wow, and I somehow don't feel like believing you.
Oh,
Yeah, I somehow cannot believe you. I cannot get myself to believe you.
oh,
Yeah, because
why?
you're so open, you're so free, you're so confident, and your language is fabulous.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Keep it up this way. Someday you'll be a wonderful orator, and someday you will be a wonderful public speaker. Because I love the way you are using your tone also, the tone of voice, and the intonation that is there, the stress that you're putting in into every syllable, into every word, and that's fabulous. That's the way we are supposed to speak the language.
Oh, thank you. I feel really grateful for your words.
The honor is all mine. Seriously, I think you're the first person that I've come across who is speaking this well, and especially using your tone of voice so much, your intonation, and the stress pattern that you're using with every word. All right, that is really awesome. That is really wonderful. It's like a fairy tale. Yeah, and that's
Oh,
how you're supposed to speak. Many people they speak well, they speak the language, they have full control on the language, they have a good command over the language. However, they don't have that expression of the language which you are gifted with.
oh, thank you.
Yes. One thing I would suggest, Arundhati, here is that with the language, with communication, you're using your voice fabulously, you're using your facial expressions fabulously. Besides that, you're using your tone, your whatever, the language using it to the mark. You're using it wonderfully. However, I don't see any body language there,
Oh, yeah.
which is very important. Okay?
Hmm. Yeah.
So let's do one thing. Let's play one game. Okay. We will say one sentence, we will speak one sentence, and we will try to express ourselves through our body language. Okay.
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 Hmm.
And we will also try to use our expressions, our facial expressions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think that is going to be fun. And I think you're going to beat me because I'm not that good at expressing myself.
Hmm.
Okay. So it's a deal. Okay. The one who wins, the person who wins, okay, you tell. Yeah, the person who wins. The person who wins will. Okay, the person who wins will accept the other person as the boss.
Why? Why the other person?
Okay, if I win, if okay, fine. The person who loses will accept the other person as the boss.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
done.
Yes.
Okay, excellent, great. So, okay, yesterday, I went to the market. The market was so crowded,
Hmm.
and it was so crowded. I got a feeling of uh, I got a feeling of suffocation.
Hmm.
So I ran away from the market.
Okay. So, like this, we have to say a sentence and act it out, right? Got
Right.
it.
Great.
Hmm. Okay. So, today I
Okay.
woke up really late because I was very sleepy the whole and I slept very late last night.
Okay.
And my mom scolded me a lot because
Oh,
I woke up really late. So I felt really sad.
wow, that is so good. That is so nice. Okay, my turn. My turn. Uh, the weather here, where I stay, where I live, it's so cold that I don't feel like getting out of bed in the morning.
Hmm. Okay. So today for breakfast, I had bread, two
Okay.
pieces of bread. And
Okay.
along with that, I had a cup of tea, but there was no sugar in that cup of tea.
Oh, wow. That really got me. The expression was wonderful. I love that. For no sugar. Okay. Great. That is fun. Okay. My turn.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's think. Let's think about a sentence. Every day when I wake up in the morning, the sun is shining bright, and it's such a beautiful day that I cannot help but thank God for everything that He has done.
That's a good sentence. Okay. So what should I say next?
Any-
Um, okay. Today I was cleaning my spectacles and I realized that there was a small crack on it, but I was too scared to tell it to my mom because I knew she would scold me for that.
Okay. The expression wasn't there for school. Okay. Yeah. Can you do that once again? And I knew, okay, and I
Okay.
knew that you would scold me for that.
Okay. And I knew she would
Yeah.
scold me for that.
Excellent. Wow. That's wonderful. That's excellent. Great. Okay. My sentence. Okay. There's so many beautiful things in this world, and we are still stuck on such worldly pleasures. Really wonder why. I
So,
don't know. Okay. Yeah.
what?
Your turn.
Okay, yeah. So today I was painting a picture and I accidentally spilled paint on that. And now
Oh,
my whole painting was ruined.
oh, wow. Excellent. Great. So, Arundhati, how is that? How do you feel right now?
I
Do you think
enjoyed
that
it very much.
there's something new added to your speech, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's how we express ourselves. We use everything that we have. We use our language, we use the tone of voice, our facial expressions, our hands, our gestures, and our body also for everything. That's how we communicate. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So keep that in mind the next time. We are about to run out of time. And yes, after this, oh, yeah, by the way, you are the judge. Who's the boss? No one
I think
lost.
we both were equally good.
Yes, we were equally good, right? So we are buddies now.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's great. So keep these things in mind. Otherwise, you are doing fabulously. I This is one of the best sessions that I have had throughout my tenure in
Yeah.
Clapingo. Believe me, I'm your junior in Clapingo right now.
Okay.
Yeah. You're a senior. You're in Clapingo since 2021, right? I just joined in
Yeah.
2022.
Oh.
Yeah, and this is one of the best sessions that I've had, and very expressive session, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it was good.